Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to change the individual product URL for your products on your Shopify store online from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify account as an administrator. So as you can see here, here's what the dashboard looks like, and obviously for the purpose of this video, I just have a dummy store set up to actually do this. So the idea here is you want to go to the products page, and that's normally found on the left hand side of the screen. So it's this option right here, and when you guys click on it, it'll actually pull up an inventory or a list of all of your registered products for your store. So we're going to configure this one. So to do so, you just want to click on the product itself like so, and if you guys scroll down, here's where you get to actually change the settings or the attributes for your product. So you won't see it right away, but the product URL handle is actually found under search engine listing. So it's this one right here. So all we have to do is click on edit, and you can see that you can configure the page title of what you want it to say, as well as the meta description for it, and what we're looking for, the URL handle. So from here we can edit it to whatever we want. We can do NFT. Okay, it actually needs we can do NFT, and you can see that it actually reflects for this if we were to change the page title. But for this, in this case, let's actually do something new. So let's do mint condition Pepe NFT. So here we are. And we could actually customize the URL handle as well. So mint condition Pepe NFT. And once you guys have all of that set up, simply hit save, and you guys are done. You've successfully changed the product URL or handle for your product on Shopify. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.